Hey BMW, what's going on here? So I've got a BMW 323i and it's developed an interesting problem. The passenger door handle plastic is starting to melt. So I did some research and I found out this is an actual problem with BMWs. Apparently the soft plastic coating they use on some of their models is susceptible to some types of hand lotions. Now, I'm very rarely in the passenger seat of my own car, and I don't wear hand lotion, so at some point in the past, somebody has, and has caused this handle to degrade. Let me show you what's going on here. This is the handle, and you can see I've already scraped off all the plastic, but this stuff is just soft and gooey, and I can scrape it off with my fingernail. And down below it was a lot worse. This stuff was just gooey. Like if you rubbed clothes on it, or if you rubbed your hand on it, it would just come off as this black goo on your clothing, on your hands. Very unpleasant. I'm just gonna take a moment here and apologize for the quality of the audio. My neighbor's doing a lot of yard work, he's running a lot of machinery, and you're probably gonna hear that in the audio. This is why I'm working towards building my own workshop. Something that's got insulation, and I can shut all the noise out and make all the videos that I want. Anyways, back to the task at hand. Good old Amazon, and I bought myself one of these trim removal kits. Comes with a lot of goodies. I don't need a lot of them to pry the door panel off of the car, but it's good to have because you never know what you might end up working on. It's got little scrapers and little pliers and rings and all that kind of good stuff. And I went on eBay and I ordered this replacement door handle for the car. It's not factory sanctioned or a perfect match. I mean, the material on here is just hard plastic that has the grain cast into it. Can't complain for 13 bucks though. This is going to be a little different. I've done some research, and the way that the door handle mounts is different than the way it is from the factory. It's no big deal. All right, I'm not going to waste any more time. I'm going to put the camera down and start tackling this project. Just means taking the door off, take the handle off, put in the new handle, put the door back on. I'll place the camera in an area that you can sort of see what I'm doing. Time to get at it. This strip has to come off. There's a little hook in the end, so I got to start on this side here. Just get the tool under it, pry, it should just pop right off. There's that little hook there. This cap also comes off. Should be able to just pry it. Might need a different kind of tool for it, I'm not too sure. Oh, there we go. Yeah, all the gooey stuff under there. Now there's 4 T20 Torx head screws here. There's one here. There's, let's see, one there, and I think there's, yes, one more here. And those all need to come off before the door can be pulled off. I have to get a screwdriver for that last one because it's a bit too deep for the drill. We can stop that noise right now. So you can see there's a bunch of stuff connected to the back of the door. I'm not going to worry too much about it. The speakers aren't connected. It may have been my own fault when I pulled the door panel off, but all I'm concerned about really is those two little black and one little black plastic depressions, which actually are what anchor the door handle to the door. Just gonna get a chisel and I'll cut those out. Okay, so in the end I decided it was easier to just disconnect the cables in the door latch and move the door panel to my little work table so I can easily chisel off the plastic retainers. There's some of the black goo on the back of this handle. Acetone is the only thing really that gets it off. And that's out. Alright, that's got the handle sorted. Pretty simple fix. You put the door back on, the door panel back on, replace the trim. And there's the finished product. Not too bad for about 13 bucks off of eBay, plus some shipping. Seems pretty robust, easy to do. I think this took me, what, maybe half an hour. So I'm pretty happy with the way that turned out. Took me about half an hour, was pretty inexpensive, super simple fix, addresses a problem that BMW has. And I hate to say this, but handled. Thanks for watching.